Okay, today, so now I'm gonna try my stuff. We're gonna install the quick release on my bumper because I took it to a tire shop because I had a flat and they had put my tires on. But when they put my my tires back on, my car is low, I guess, and they don't know how to drive low cars, sadly. And I don't know if you can see. I'll show you guys in a second. But they basically, when they put the bumper back on, they dragged something on the bottom and the plastic, and I was just like it took a gap now. It was worse than before, so I'm gonna put that on, and I have a sticker. Put in also. Dang, I think an egg cracked on my car. Yeah, it did. It's like yolk inside, and like, yeah, crazy. Alright, we'll be doing more driving videos soon. Just be patient. It's coming, okay? Something happened, but I'll talk about it when I start driving again, because otherwise I'll be wasting my time and waste a video. So everything in here. Sticker is yeah, this is from yesterday's video. The Tuna Evo sticker I got. Pretty cool. But I'll put that on after I do this. This shouldn't take that long, I don't think. It should be fairly quick. I don't know. You know, a lot of things with car stuff takes longer than it should, really, but yeah, I'll show you guys what happened with this in my car. Hold on. I'll show you guys what happened. When I put this back on, first of all, this is like off. It's not even on there anymore. It's barely even, like, these don't even work. They're just basically in place. But then there's like a little blue, they put zip ties on my car and they didn't tell me about it. See, like, even the bumper, it's like hanging, but they put zip ties on my car, and right there, the blue ones, and they didn't tell me about it. So I get my car back, and like, I'm driving home and I'm just hearing this crazy noise, right? I'm like, what the heck was that? Turns out it was just scraping, like, bad. The entire car was just scraping the ground. It was horrible. But I need to get a car wash. I got it detailed and everything, and yeah, there's just some leftover, like, or like I got it buffed or whatever and all that stuff, but there's some leftover, like, debris and stuff in the rain on here, and dents are gone though, which is good. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. I don't think I have to open the, yeah, I don't have to open the hood. I'm gonna start on the passenger side first, since it's off the street, since, you know, I work on the street, you guys, so that's where we're gonna start right now. Okay. I guess I'll just set this up and get started. This battery's gonna die soon on this camera, but this is the best I can do for now, I guess. So I just tripod it and let you guys watch. Hopefully the angle's gonna work, but it's kind of hard to see what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so thinking about putting it here, like even with this kind of. Yeah, I see this stuff's on here. But yeah, I'm gonna put it here. So I need to tape that up first. Oh, I can't do this on the street, I don't think. Because I have to turn the tire. I gotta turn this out all the way to the right so I can get in there. So let's get started with that real quick. I need a screwdriver for these. Or just these, just this one. It's not in it. Yeah, there we go. I don't need that anyway. Okay, that should work. Tape it. Let's put the first mark kind of here. Dang, bro, chill out. The heck? Okay, I'm gonna rip off the tape until here. So we're gonna take, here's my key. Put this here. Okay. And we're gonna install the first one. Take this tape out. Okay. Then take this. I'm gonna put the nut and washer on the back side and the screw to the front side. So let's go like this, or here like this, and put this back side. Okay. Okay. I don't have to do this by yourself, but it can be done. Okay. That. Then I'm gonna put this. Actually, I should take all these off, honestly. But there's more room. How the heck? Look at this here.
I told you that. We got in a huge argument, and Dad was sitting in the back seat. He was driving us to the airport.
Okay. How can I get this off? Here then. I need to like hold this back like this, but yeah, that's really good actually. Okay. guess I could take tape. I don't see it. That's crazy. I guess I might have to take this off too. It's really in there, yo. Oh my god. This one's gonna be easy on the bottom, but the top one, Lord have mercy. I'm supposed to get this out. I'm gonna take this back. Put this to my tie. I'm gonna try it. You guys do, if you guys do this at home, use a garage, yo. This is crazy. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this. and see how you want the other one to line up so it pulls it tight together. So we're gonna take these out. Okay, you got the first one, and you can take this second one, and you want it pretty tight, so should have that right there. Okay, did that nice. Okay, and you drill into it. I'm sorry. And now you can install the second one with the screw and nut. Take this through here. Same process. This through this side. Take this. Oh, sorry. Washer on the back side of this. Wait. Something. This one might be easier with the bumper off, only because the bracket that it clicks into is right there. So I'm gonna take, oh no, hold on. Oh. Okay. I believe it's an 8mm. So this little, this thing right here. But I don't feel like going inside the house to get the tool, so make your own. Don't do this at home. I mean, obviously I'm on the street, but it's out of here. Comes off here. And then now you can easily, or put this on here easier. Put this over here. Same process. This on the back side. Then you put your nut in there. Started. Just tighten it down. Done with that, push that back in. Tuck the one you took out back in there. Tucking it up with the right tool. Okay, and now that's done, you can actually take these off. Now, see if I can do somewhere. Back into place. Put your clips back in. Like I said, my clip's already broken, so doing this doesn't even matter for me. I've done this so many times now with this car. That's how my clips are. This. That. Boom, boom. You want to take this. Like that. It's a little better. I mean, they messed up the bumper pretty bad, but that'd be good for now. Not the same process on the other side, but I can record that because it's kind of boring, but I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm done. Okay, so finished. Here's how they look. Okay, how they look. And it did a little improvement, but I think it's just they bent the frame inside behind the bumper. But I don't know how bad it is, but looks nice. That's the one side. The other side. Let's see. It looks pretty good. I mean, for redoing on the street, it's not bad. Yeah, it's a better product. I plan on doing another video about everything I've done to the car recently since my last video on the car with the exhaust, whatever. But let me turn this wheel straight again because it's not straight right now. Come on. Turn it this way. Okay. Straight, yeah. So everything, I've not done much really. Got a radar in here. Radar it's hardwired, and it sits up here. It's inside here. I can do a video on that soon. I can do a video on that soon. But that's up. It sits over here, and it's tucked usually in here. But I took the radar out because then I'm not driving the car right now. Like I said, I'll tell you guys about that soon. What else can I do? Let's see, hold on. Let's see. I'll have to sticker too. I'll do the sticker right now. But you know, I lowered it. It's pretty low now. Like this back wheel, like this, it's tucked in here. It's pretty tucked. I mean, I want to go a little bit lower, like I said, slightly lower. Maybe in the rear, I have a little room to play with. Then same thing in the front. I'll drop the front a little bit too. I mean, it's really, like I said, if you put this down, it's pretty low, like, but maybe a little bit lower. They have an event on the 9th, and I'm trying to get ready for it, but yeah, maybe a little bit lower here. Yeah. Those are all done, in place. I plan on getting a little bit darker tints on the sides because you can, I mean, they're pretty decent, but you know, you can still see. So I'm thinking maybe 20s all around, 20s all around. Then I want to do a new exhaust, a custom one this time, because the one I had before is just, it works, but I want a little more. I want a deeper tone, change it up a little bit. So I'll probably go like 2.5 straight from the cat all the way back, maybe a resonator and a muffler tip. I plan on changing the bumper out because when I bought this car, there's some scratches on it, and they came like that. So this lady who had it in Chicago had it before me, and they parked in Chicago like bumper to bumper. So there's a few scratches here and here, but we can get that. Just a dent down here. We'll get that changed out. Maybe I'll do the sticker. I'll do the sticker a different day because I need to clean it first. It's pretty dirty. But Simplicity, Raceland for the coils, stay ill because stay ill, and that's lit. And you guys on my Instagram on the side. Nothing much else really changed. about the car. Probably gonna end up doing a colder intake because it gets way too hot in the engine bay. And I'm figure out a way to do something with this. I know it comes out over here, so maybe I'll make a special thing here, or cut around this, make a mesh. I don't know, but something. But yeah, you can get the blacked out headlights, roof wrap, and yeah, not much else. The car's pretty much complete, but that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully soon. But yeah, you guys know the vibes. Stay safe out there.